Ah, they're getting the bags on the plane. But why is mine sitting down there not going anywhere? Hey, if you just put my suitcase on, you wouldn't have it in your way.
Before we close the forward boarding door, yes, please make sure that all of your electronic devices are turned to the off position. We'll let you know.
Don't tell me you can't see it.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are expecting a fairly full flight here in Atlanta this evening. We ask a favor of you. If you have a smaller bag, such as a backpack, purse, or briefcase.
Hey, I've already got a bigger bag, and I'd sure like it on the plane.
In front of you, keeping all.
Hey, what about my bag? Hey, you don't want that baggage on this plane anyway. Put mine on the conveyor. I'm telling you, you don't want that baggage. If my suitcase would have been a snake, it'd have bit you. See, I told you that baggage didn't go on this plane. Oh, great, more baggage for the plane. Now will you get mine on?
We had trouble too. We need a guy to push it.
Take it up further up front.
Yeah, that's mine. Hey, put it on. This is not looking promising. Oh, I see. You only load your bags. You don't load the bags sitting next to the conveyor. Not your job. Oh, you don't like that guy's bag either, huh? Oh, man. Oh, that's it. Now you got it. Wait, no. Put it up on the conveyor. I've been ignored all my life, and now my suitcase too. I guess it's the wrong color. Oh, now that everything else is on the plane, we'll throw this one on too. I guess my bag is special. Better last than never. I guess I can relax now. Finally, the last suitcase to make it on the plane. Whew!